Employer consensus location Brooklyn ref 1,220,797 _ CRT 1,534,483,199,020 starts August 17, 2018 closes August 24, 2018 company type infrastructure job type full-time job function project manager about Viant at consensus. We believe that given the tools, people will always surprise us and build incredible things. We built a blockchain-based platform to allow people to model business processes, track assets and build the supply chains of the future. Some of the applications that have been imagined using Viant include tracking sustainably sourced yellowfin tuna from Fiji, see video here, tracking the provenance of 3D printed jet fighter parts, and the handoff process of digital assets like seismic mining data. Viant provides organizations verifiable insights as assets flow through the entire supply chain. At Viant, we are committed to building an inclusive and diverse workplace. About the role, the Viant team is seeking its first full-time product manager. This person will play a critical role in expanding our platform and product development process to ensure that the product stays on plan and meets our high-level strategic objectives. We are looking for someone who is excited to roll up their sleeves and deliver on future releases while growing a global team. As a platform-first product, the prioritization of features to satisfy multiple stakeholders' needs is a top priority. Our current customers include Fortune 50 companies, global leaders in innovation and NGOs. The product manager will work closely with our customers to identify product opportunities, determine and communicate resourcing plans alongside realistic timelines, identify and mitigate risks, and adjust as needed to accommodate unexpected changes. This is a highly collaborative and dynamic role that will interface between internal and external partners including clients, marketing, research, design and development. About the team, geographically distributed over multiple time zones, high energy and passionate about the product, value open, respectful and constructive communication, strive for consensus and transparency, seek diversity and perspectives, works hard and at the same time values life balance, flexibility and vacations responsibilities, define and prioritize features through a combination of working directly with existing users, speaking with target customers, and performing broader market research, compile and maintain product roadmap and timelines by collaborating closely with product designers, solution architects and software development teams, author regular product release plans and communicate schedules to both internal and external stakeholders, execute product delivery using agile practices including maintaining product backlog, planning sprint cycles, running daily scrum, etc. Develop staffing and resource management plans for a diverse group of developers, many of whom work remotely, assess project progress, and share status updates with team and external stakeholders, evaluate project risks and create mitigation plans, design, implement, and maintain standard processes, communication protocols, and documentation templates, represent Viant and consensus globally, at meetings with members, and at conferences. Requirements: minimum 5 years product management experience, strong technical background with an understanding of databases and client and server technologies, ability to gather key information from client interviews, understand complicated problems and translate into requirements, comfortable working with UX researchers and UI designers, experienced executor and a champion of fast-paced Scrum Agile processes, experience coaching, motivating, and giving feedback to a large team of developers, able to assimilate, sort and aggregate complex information quickly, comfortable communicating with a diverse, mostly remote team, thrives in a fast-paced environment, where being self-directed, determined, and resilient are a requirement. Bonus points if you have expertise in business process modeling, BPM, or the supply chain and logistics sector, have experience in building platform products, have an active interest in blockchain and or Ethereum, have experience building products that interact with ERP, SCM technologies like SAP and Oracle. Here are some of the perks of being part of a unique organization like Consensus, the forefront of a revolution. At Consensus, we fundamentally believe that a next generation of technologies presents the opportunity to create a more just and equitable society. A dynamic startup environment. Consensus is a thought leader in the blockchain space, and we are absorbing a significant portion of the mind share. This is both exciting and challenging, as we learn to scale our organization while adhering to the principles of decentralization. Continuous learning. You'll be constantly exposed to new languages, frameworks and ideas from your peers and as you work on different projects, challenging you to stay at the top of your game. Deep technical challenges. This entire ecosystem is about 10 years old. Ethereum itself is still a toddler. There is much work to be done before these platforms can scale to the order of millions or billions of users. Consensus is building the technology platforms that can get us to those next thresholds of scale. Similar searches, full-time, infrastructure, project manager, Brooklyn Save. You need to sign in or create an account to save a job. 2.